Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can edit Fiverr profile on your account. Now this is very easy and quick, so the first thing you need to do is you want to switch to your selling account. In the top right here you can see switch to selling. Now after you are guys here, you just need to click on view profile. As you can see, now when you click on view profile, then you can first edit about me page here. So this is what a lot of people will see when they first discover you. They will see this about page here, which is not like yeah, which is really like, it's like it has to do with your profile. And also if you click here on the image, you can upload an image, okay, that will be shown to buyers, which is very recommended. I always recommend guys to add an image that is related to your gigs or just your profile picture, so that people can trust you more. That's just from my experience. When I just started to do this, I started to get orders. I added my picture. I added also, hi, I'm expert in eBay dropshipping and Shopify with like 5 years of experience. So these things made me start getting like 15 orders, I guess, from people. Okay, so also when you edit here the about me page here, just need to click on edit details and then you can edit it. You can also add portfolio, like portfolio of your past projects. This will like give proof to your future clients that you are really doing your best and you know what you are offering in your gigs. Okay, that's really helpful for you to start getting clients. You can also add an intro video, which is very recommended. If you can do this, it will really make a connection with the buyers and they will trust you more, because video really makes people trust you more compared to pictures. So if you have like gigs and you want really to take it to the next level, I know it's not that easy to make a video and stuff. You will get a little bit lazy, but it's really worth it. People really trust you more, especially if you are new to Fiverr and you want to start getting these first new clients so that they can add a review, and then the Fiverr will start promoting your own gigs more, because now they know that you know what you are offering. You know exactly the business, or you know the service well, so they will trust you and then they will show your gigs to more clients. Now if you are new, keep in mind, if you are starting just a new account, you just need to be patient a little bit to start getting the first clients, because everything really is about first clients. When you start getting these first clients and then they start adding adding positive reviews, then Fiverr automatically, the algorithm will start promoting your gigs for free to more clients. Now here's certifications. You can add certifications here. I just added here eBay dropshipping. I did 20k in 30 days, which is like literally like close. This is like, it's not a lie, but it's like close like $80,000 in just a month in sales on eBay. So here, sales and expertise, as you can just add here the skills and stuff like that. Now after you are done, what you guys need to do is just click on this, and then you can just click on done, save, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you also my gigs here. As you can see, I have this gig here. Also the thumbnail, make sure the thumbnail of your gig is really good. From my experience, I just took this from YouTube and they added it there. So yeah, it's just as you can see, this is how much I charge here on Fiverr. It's not really about the price. You can charge whatever you want. Just make sure you're offering like quality services. Of course, you can always ask me guys about anything in the comments. If you have any questions, I try to reply to everyone, guys. Yeah, hopefully this one helped you, and see you guys next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.